Okay, season 1, episode 7, angles of elevation and depression. Um, Here's our first word problem. Sunny spots a hot air balloon at an angle of elevation of 68 degrees. He is 100 horizontal yards from the balloon. How high is the balloon flying? Step 1, draw a triangle. So here's a triangle. Here's Sunny. Sunny happens to be my dog. So I'm going to draw my dog. Don't laugh, it's a stick figure. And here's a balloon. I might be able to draw a balloon. Oh gosh, those people are going to fall out of the basket. But anyways, there's the dog, there's the balloon, and there's the right triangle. Horizontal means the ground distance, so I'm going to label that 100 yards. We need to know how high the balloon is flying, so I'll give that an X. And angle of elevation, so that's the eyes looking up, 68 degrees. Okay, so there's my triangle. And once you see a triangle like this, you know what to do because you just watched a video on it. Across from 68, that's the opposite side, O. 100 yards, that's next to, so that's adjacent. So I just wrote down O and A, which should tell me that I need to use the tangent ratio. So tangent 68 over 1 is equal to the opposite x over the adjacent 100. Cross multiply, x is equal to 100 tan 68. Okay, 100 tan 68, put that in my calculator. 100 tan 68. Round to the nearest tenth. So the hot air balloon is, I don't even know if this is possible. Can it be flying 247.5 yards in the sky? I don't know. That would be a good question. Why don't you look that up? See how high a hot air balloon flies. So there's angle of elevation. Here's another quickly made up problem. This one is an angle of depression. Hannah, my other dog, is in this one. Star player. Hannah is watching a Taylor Swift concert. Her angle of depression is 35 degrees. If she is 150 horizontal feet from the stage, how high up is she sitting? Okay, step 1, as we know, draw a triangle. So here's Hannah. She's up here. Hannah up here. Stick figure dog. And down here is Taylor Swift. I don't know. I'll draw just a face with hair. Okay, there's a Taylor Swift concert. 150 horizontal feet. Label that 150 feet. And we need to find out how high Hannah is in the bleachers up there. So there's my picture. Now here is where students make a mistake. Almost everybody on the last quiz put 35 degrees right here. That's not an angle of depression. The angle of depression is from Hannah's looking straight out in the horizon. This is the angle of depression right here. But lucky for us, the angle of depression is exactly the same as the angle of elevation. So make your life easier and just put it right here. 35 degrees. Look, we have tangent again. So remember, angle of elevation is the same as depression. So I find it a lot easier to just do this. And then you won't get it wrong. Do not put it here. No. Okay, so what is this? Opposite, adjacent. So we have tangent 35 is equal to x over 150 tan. I'm just curious what this is going to come out to be. X over 150. It's probably not realistic either, but we'll see. X is equal to 150 tan 35. Tried to, but 150 tan 35. Okay, so X is equal to 105 feet. That's rounded, by the way. I should have put 0.0. Okay, so I don't know if that's realistic either. You could check that out. So good luck on your quiz. There will be one more video I'll put out later on law of sines and law of cosines. Bye.